everyone, my name's Allie Cheney. I'm with Sun & Ski Sports at Brighton Ski Resort at the WWSRA. I'm super excited to be testing out the Volkl Mantra 88s. Let's go check them out. These skis are all about precision and edge hold. They have a multi-layer wood core and a Titanal frame, so the ski feels really locked in and powerful. Great for aggressive, intermediate level skiers who like to go fast and charge hard. If you're a skier who loves carving and wants maximum confidence on firm snow, this is a classic go-to ski. I would recommend this for anyone who likes to go super fast. They're really fun. If you want to hear more product reviews, like and subscribe to the Sun & Ski Sports YouTube channel.